Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we're going to be taking on Mamawhiski to a classic auto show. There's going to be a bunch of cars like this one right here. Last time me and my dad, we pulled up to the show with this one. Unfortunately, we weren't able to sell it, but this time we're going to be going with my truck. Yesterday, we just came back from a truck show with Mamawhiski. You guys can see the trailers posted up out in the front. But yeah, right now we're going to be going to another show back to back. And hopefully it all goes good. So we're gonna be going with two of my homies, and we're all gonna go, a little bit sandwiched in my truck. So yeah, hopefully we can record some cool trucks out there and see what the vibes are looking like. So without further ado, we're gonna go pick up my homies and then be on our way. Get your angles on, get your angles on.
No, I got you good right here, Raul.
Oh yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So as you guys can see, we just made it to the event right now. I got the two homies right here, thing one and thing two. But yeah, right now we're gonna head out. We're gonna start walking and see a bunch of trucks. I actually was recording with my 360 camera and I got hella reactions. But yeah, we're gonna walk around, see what kind of stuff we see and see what the vibe's looking like. There's a lot of OGs out here.
She's on screen right now.
So right now we got some lunch. What you eating on, Devin? A cheeseburger? Take a bite from me. I also got a burger right here. What'd you get? Cowboy bites. Are they good, bro?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. A 1937 right here.
Some Peaky Blinders type thing right here.
Oh my, look at the color on this. That roof is crazy.
Thomas Shelby type
I can remember.
Dude, we're literally on the fucking You haven't gotten one story post? Sad. Stable Ronaldo didn't win Screamer of the Year.
Don't leak it, bro. I haven't watched it yet. Oh. Why is it that cheap? Oh, 4-cylinder. Underline the turbo. It's still a 4-cylinder. This is what you're supposed to do to your truck, Devin. Take a pic, bro. Take a video while you're at it. Oh my, they have 3 air compressors.
Oh, there you are.
4.
I don't know what's game around here, bro. I don't know what's higher.
Muchos millones de verdes.
Bro, that interior is crazy. My truck looks clean, I ain't gonna lie.
Las cosas han calmado, acá investigando. La villa, tener de mi chula bandida. Baby en la peda, son muchas las que me buscan, pero hay mija como...